What is going on, guys? This is Aaron. As promised, this video has taken some time for me to edit and put together. My friend Logan came over and helped me do the fender install, or the re-fender cut on my E39 540. So this is going to be a rather long video, not a whole lot of instructional stuff. It's just doing the work. And that's kind of what we wanted to do. We originally were going to do like a collab video, but he came over, didn't have any of his equipment. He just really kind of wanted to hit the ground running and just knock the work out. So this was 2 days of filming and then me editing for probably about 7 hours, like cutting all the footage, because I had hours of footage to cut through, as well as for him still doing the work for free, even though he wasn't really getting anything out of it outside of me tagging him in post. I decided to surprise him with something at the end of the job. So watch for that, and here's the process.
Trying to make sure it wasn't getting hot, because the last thing I want is for it to warp right here and then leave lumps when you bolt up. That would not be good. Does this make you nervous?
Only a lot, but it's all going to get covered up. For me, it's just warping the original, what we have to put shit on.
Right. And we're past all the point of warping any of that. So like any of this is all inside now.
Yeah. But if you're not nervous seeing your car hacked up, you know, it's like,
Probably something wrong with you.
How do you support it?
What do you mean?
How do you carry it?
I've got a kind of like a Gorilla Pod, but a little bit better.
Okay.
Little flexible tripod, and then I've got like a $45 glide cam that I just picked up.
Like a slider?
No, it's like a weighted balance thing where it's got like the handle is like a 360 gyro, and then you have to weight it. But I didn't think about this when I bought it. My camera has no fucking weight to it, so it really didn't even work.
Yeah.
So I gotta like strap some shit to the top to give it a counterweight.
My buddy Logan has been helping me cut and re-weld my fenders to make clearance for the tire, because on the last video I said we were bottoming out on the tire, like the OEM body to tire. So he came over and he's been working for free to help make clearance for me. So I just clarified with him what he's using to stabilize his camera in terms of, is he hand holding it or anything like that, because he has I think it's a Canon G9X. So what I'm gonna do, he's currently using like one of those steady cam things where it's got a pole and a weight at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do, I have this, which I'm not using, which is a Zhiyun Crane M2, and it's perfect for that little point and shoot of his. I'm not using it. I'm gonna go ahead and give it to him for helping me out. We're gonna get his reaction for that.
Well, for helping me out.
What you got there?
It's a gimbal for your camera.
The Crane M2? Are you for real?
Yeah.
No way.
I don't use it.
For real? I was legit gonna buy one of those, and then I was like, no, I'm not gonna have a job. I'm gonna save for a camera, so I'm just gonna get the steady cam.
My setup is too heavy.
Fuck yeah, I appreciate it, man. That's sick. This is the exact one I was looking at too.
Yeah, so like it's perfect for point and shoots. Like,
oh, this is gonna work great for this weekend.
And even if you get that EV10,
it'll still work.
The
on
kit lens, it'll work. But if you put like any other lens on it, it'll be too heavy.
I've got this brand, the Smooth Q.
Yeah.
I had that one.
For
I got
phone,
for my
right?
phone. Yeah. I got it for my phone, and then I saw that people were like modifying them to put like point and shoots on.
Yeah.
I was like, fuck yeah. Started modifying it. I wore out the motors within the first hour.
If you made it this far, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. This was probably one of my longer videos. I realized there was nothing informative in it outside of just watching the work and seeing me give a buddy something that I know he could use. His YouTube channel is DefinitelyNotMechanics. He also has a merch store, which has very awesome shirt designs. So go check that out. I'll leave all his links in the description for his TikTok, Instagram, everything. He's a really good guy. He's trying to grow his channel, and it's pretty funny stuff. So go check him out. I'd appreciate that. And again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.